masonareo sa dia misofinareo sa diso zany dia iny le mpitondra lasa tsoka ny naninanina izy tafakatra le miteneniko hoe miaramila no mitondra eto fotoana foigna zany na tsy haiko ny ela be raha natadidindray ny fitadidinareo no raha many any venareo hoe tsy misy lavana ihana eny za koa tsy miteny ilay hoa fa izao ilainareo tsy hoe le zay kosa dia teny zany rena zany dia efa akoatra zay efa hainareo be lehibe zany rena zany no teneko taminareo hoe tonga eto le avy any amin'ny lantilanty ary zay tenenay tsy maintsy mandeha rapoka tsy ho ela ny volokary eto Madagasikara laina zinareo tsy poky zany apoka ary mbola ho ampitombonina aza ny toeranay poany dia tadidinareo tsara fa teninely azy aty matsinareo milavaka tena tsisy nenenina mihitsy dia andana atsovy le mpanao fagagana rehetrarehetra sy le andriamatinareo sy manasakana an'io manakana zany dikan'izay sakafo dao zao teneniko zao miazam-batefy neny 2026 8 mois lay anaovana batisanareo zany farapafinaritra zany vaninary zay tsara le zany fotoa zany tsara zany fotoa zay amareo zao ny batisa ny mahafaly anareo ena na tsy batisa mahafaly anara ia zavatava mahafaly ana io fa le batisa tsy maintsy ataoko voaniny aza matao sy nareo ataoko batisa nareo ary ana zavatava mahafaly ana hitanareo ihany le mampitsikitsiky ana io ina koa asindray aloha fa tena zata tena tsy mampadidy mihitsy ndraindraiky tsy tadidiko nay reva zay no tadidy tsara zay ainareo tsara zay teneko teo zay dia ilazana zany jesosy azy jesoa sy riala amahany problème tsy efa teny taminareo nga za fandrosianina miaraka amin'ny Chine miaraka tsara Chine sy Russie tsy efa tena avy zany a tsy ka voamasonareo zany zao ay 2003 zany no tenenina tsy volany
The America, they didn't dare striking Iranian. Why? What is the reason? Even that was really famous that he was going to strike Iranian. That Iran, it must be with Russia. Russia is their leader. Russia will never fight against directly with USA, that he is going to show his force. Because there is the leader of the beast, the devil. Whatever they will do, there is no solution for that. You enter in that generation. That is 2026. It's one moment that all dangers enter on this planet Earth. That later we're going to see what will happen. I have explained to you that America is going to get hurt seriously, and I have told you as well that many presidents will be dead on this planet Earth, and don't wish to be a president anymore. For those who don't want to see a danger, so that I can tell you for this first for this new year. So we invite Jesus. We call him particularly around the world. Stop that words. So really, the worst will happen, will strike you, and it's around the world. All animals will bite you. Your earth will be upside down. It will be messed up around the world. If he is a God, tell him to solve this problem. The volcanoes are going to be exploded. For example, in America, he is not short. America is really huge and wide, but that continent will be exploded, and the earthquake is going to explode them. Millions of buildings are going to destroy it. There's nothing you can take on your planet Earth. It's time for your destruction. And let me say that, stop saying it's too much. Even that is the easiest. That's why I tell you, this 4th of March may be our last meeting together. The last baptism, and we don't know anymore. 2027, 4th of March 2027. Maybe those who or will be left over here, they will do that. But on 2028, there is no 4th of March anymore. That is the situation of the story. That's why our dad will be coming on 4th of March, on 8th, and YAHOSHUA as well, to see lastly the planet Earth. How bad is the end of you humans? That is it. There is nothing you can stop anymore. That is the word of YAHOSHUA who holds it lastly. But after 8th, everything will be open, and nothing can stop it. Now Jesus is moving that he knows that there's nothing he can do. It's not easy that you freed people in hell. Those are the proof that your destruction is arrived. It's always what Eliah would be accomplished. Didn't Eliah say to you, extraterrestrials are coming? And Roman Catholic, they say that we are ready to welcome the extraterrestrials. It's with great pleasure that we will welcome them. It's really in Adam and Eve era. And I said, they're going to destroy you and enslave you. And they said in the other side that they are best friend. And even some of them going to be convinced and be baptized. How would you perform a baptism for an extraterrestrial? That is the words of Eliah is accomplished to them. All of them are going to do their foolishness that you are not conscious. A dog that is consecrate, or that you are not conscious. And I said, it's a danger, what will happen to you? And the other said that they are the best friend. They changed that, there is no problem. That if you know who is the leader of the devils, extraterrestrials, you will love extraterrestrials, even you are going to run away. Before, they were the most wonderful, the most handsome. There is not seen ever. But they betrayed and they become a devil. We never lie, but that is the truth. They are really the worst. That's why I told you, even just a small of his skin, you'll be instead of saying you'll be in just a small area of his skin that you will see. Even to see a snake, you are afraid. There is nothing. So can reach to sit 7 meters or 3 meters. None of you know that, but I know. But if you know something that doesn't make sense with, you don't know. That's why I told you, I am astonished that if you'll be robbed in your house by a robber, you will kill them. Free spirit in hell, but that is so funny. You really selfish. You and flesh, that is the dangerous sin. That is devils and Satan, that you protect them. For Roman Catholics, that extraterrestrials are coming and they are a good friend. Even from the other scripture that I have told you, the earth is going to be enslaved. So how is it possible that that's so that's why I tell you that will be coming and ask and call Jesus to solve that problem. You are believing Jesus and Jesus will call them. Mainly Madagascar, you say that it's in a peace nation. The light has been given to you that you hate. Remember that if you will do that, it will increase into 100 times more than there was expected to happen. What's wrong Eliah did to you? It just there was someone that killed you that I showed. That you protect Jesus because you sinned with him. And the goodness of the heaven of heaven was despised by that. That we sinned. That's never. Our dad never likes that sin, and we never sin. We hate that sins. Accept to be saved if you want. That is my word. I wish you to be blessed by Yahushua. Be wise. So this is only for us. That is it. You don't need me now, that sooner you will look for me. That's why I tell you that from now, tell your God to solve the problem that I have told you. It's just a sample. It's just a sample, not all problems. So when you will see up past the end that cannot be healed by medicines anymore, the key is with me. Because that is from us, that is from my dad. And when it is from us, it's only us who can solve it. But if it's not from us who will solve it, it will never be solved. My mouth is always speaking. So look for the solution. What is that? And what is the solution? It's you will look for that. That is what I will tell you. The sickness will strike you. Your body will be at his place. When your story will end, that monkeypox, coronavirus,
那个就是5%。
it's just 5/100. That's nothing. You can find a solution for that. There is still a vaccination for that. There is still a solution. But after that, even doctor will run away from patient because they want to be alive as well. They will run away from you. But then sickness that will be coming. That is really abominable. That's what will happen. And at that time that we will see the patient will be left there. And you may say, you may wonder that I have told you, it's time to accomplish the work. Those who are following me will be different from those who don't serve Him. That's why YAH is here to protect His small lambs. That's why I tell you, love me. In case the kid is really with. In case the kids with me, in case. Because what's wonderful with it, it's a day to take vengeance. What we will not take revenge. When you sing loudly. It's for you and Yahushua. Play it, Atil.
Dia tsy mahita kana, za tsy misy raiko zany nanay. Ada ka dia anaraky.
For the just dance, because you may say that here how I can show it to you, Yahushua. You just dance. That the praise be to both of them. It's always okay just to speak bad words. That is not okay here. Okay, please. How is a man glorifying? Don't be so wise. Don't be too wise, man. So, girls, make this place is full of you. If they don't want to do. It's a competition, dance competition that we are doing now. So that is it, to praise that YAHVAH by dancing. To dance, that is to win the heart of that YAHVAH. Okay, have a seat then. I will explain you that. You see, in the heaven of heaven, when you go there, even it's raining, you can just add a little bit volume. So, can you hear me? Now you can hear me. In the heaven of heaven. There is a moment that YAHVAH calls the citizens of the heaven of heaven. There is a great ceremony, and there is a group of dancers. And this group, they're just dancing, and the others are just singing, and ZHYAH is included. She's just a singer, and the others are just everything in the heaven of heaven. They go automatically, and that moment is so wonderful. There are many things that those who are called to dance, they are really lucky. The 24 elders, they follow the dance with even YAHOSHUA. And let me say that if yes, he dances, of course he dances. That he doesn't dance like human, just he moves softly. He's really wonderful. I wish that he would become your dad as well. He becomes your dad if you're wise. That he doesn't dance so hard like you humans. It's YAHOSHUA who likes singing. That he, when he sings, that just to say la 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 la. That's what Daddy of do. So for that, it's not the beats that he listened to, that it's the sang. And for YAHOSHUA, it's not the sang. It's really the musical instrumental that he likes listening to. But that doesn't listen to the musical there. It's really the sang. That's why I told you that song that speaks to that YAHVAH. So the 4th of March, it's really yours. Mainly the GLL, They show the love to Yahushua that you never accept to be defeated, but 2 years that I accept just to watch, that they will get the trophy. Because the 4th of March, that's why that event Yahushua will not go here. They will watch from where they are. That they will watch you, how you celebrate them. Really, they will watch you. Mainly the GLL. Pay attention, the GLL, not to do it badly. This one is particularly for you. That's why there is no Gentiles anymore, that it will be watched by beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. That's why you don't invite Gentiles to come here anymore. Only those who will come here to follow YAHOSHUAH, because that party will not be watched by the others anymore, but it will be for us to show our love to YAHOSHUAH, to both of them. That both of them will watch us. Do you get it? So dance well, celebrate well, because when you dance in the devil, you really sacrificed yourself. Really, you did your best to dance with a bad abomination dance, but how much more is when you dance for YAHOSHUAH? What kind of dance you're going to show to them? Really, that there is the one who came to save him, because he was about to die. Everything and all kinds of gestures you will do in front of him to thank him. It's like that. What you will do? You arrived in front of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH and know what to do if you were really saved. But if you don't know how to be happy, so you don't feel that salvation. But the people who feel that salvation, he's not ashamed. He don't look at the other. Even the others who don't dance, you're astonished about them. Why don't they dance? So they are not saved if they don't dance. But to people who feel himself is saved, that this place is not enough for you. It's like you want to jump higher there. That don't come to me. Just stay there. Is it clear? And take that a lesson for you. Don't wait for a motivation to dance for that YAHVAH. It's like Madagascar dance, the answer here. How is that to dance for that YAHVAH? So that is it. Don't invite anyone on the 4th of March anymore. So how will we use then? TV and radio, the teaching, there's no teaching anymore. What we would broadcast on this TV and radio, just your encouragement. Because there is nothing to be needed anymore. Just internet that you will watch. Because when the 8th of March will be over, I don't know what to do with this TV and radio anymore. That it's not the TV that you'll be encouraged, but it's my word.
物理就是借着那个注表，就是借着说话。
And even when people will be convinced that we don't know how to do with them, that I really tell you that people will come and they will say that I am really convinced, and what is the solution? I don't know what to do with them. I really speak out because I don't know what to do with them. Because at that time you don't know where we lie, where we'll be, what I will be. That at the time that I will perform a baptism in overseas, that I will tell you that I am in a nation. So I will never tell you until I will perform a baptism. That's right. If I will be gone to overseas, you will never know my way, where will I go, where I am. Just you will listen to me on the internet, children, this is, and I will say that you don't know where I am. But if I will perform a baptism at that time that I perform a baptism in here in this place, and how these people will persecute me. This one may be possible. I will not leave you until you that I can stay beside me. You know, it's really difficult. So as you can be happy, be happy. You will not be happy anymore sooner. So as long as there is time that we can be happy, show it well, so that the glory be to Yahushua. Or isn't it okay for you? Tell the one next to you that you move aside, because this place is not enough for me. If you want to dance well, say to your friends to move aside. Brothers, you can jump, you can show your happiness, even if you're going to do your somersault, that you can do that. But girls cannot do a somersault with your skirt. That's not doable. How to see Katya will do a somersault? Yeah. Katya is going to do a somersault. That is really dangerous. Let's think about that. That situation is really... That is so crazy, that situation. Even you're so fat that you're going to do a somersault. That, how is that? So it's your deal, do whatever you want to do. Be happy as long as there is time that you can be happy. Is it clear? That I didn't say to do an abomination dance, but it's a dance to show your happiness to your Savior. Is it clear? Okay, I will not dance well, but I will look at you. Okay, come on. Play.
Sędzicie!
That's wonderful. It really hits your heart. That is happy. It's wonderful. Again, I sung.
ZHYAH,
So how is it? It's wonderful. It's really a great happiness we feel. That's wonderful, really. It's wonderful. Yeah, it's so wonderful. love it for the YAHVAH from YAHOSHUAH. Next song, Tati. Is it wonderful? Give a great kiss to Yahushua. And give a great kiss to Yahushua as well.
Isanareo ny tantaran'ny fifalianareo amin'ny Yahoshua nanahona rehefa tonga tao amin'ny Yahoshua. Isan'ny anavata. Lasa isan'ny angana voalohany. Ndry. Ay nalao. Mety na vapanazy. Ndry. Efa sa tantarao.
Yahvalinao amin'ny Yahoshua. Tena tsy hitanao izay anambarana anazy ohatrany hoe tianao fenonao daholo izay rehetrarehetra. Tsy hatantarana ilay izy fa tena faly. Tena faly.
Tena sambatra be.
Tena sambatra.
Ny faharoa. Ndry ivelany eo akaikin'ny elo.
Miaro ny fifaliana tao amin'ny Yahoshua tena hitako hoe na mandeha ny andalana mandeha tsy hatantarana tena malasana.
Arrête foana ny voalohany reto raha voalera.
Fifaliana be zany atao amin'ny Yahoshua tena tianao mihitsy zany anao zatra rehetrarehetra dia toeranao aza tena be dia be mihitsy nahitananao hoe vetivety anao ery dia vetivety anao aty dia etsaka.
Vetika zany.
Falifaly mihitsy.
Tiapseho ny fifaliana. Tiapseho ny fifaliana.
Ie tiapseho ny fifaliana dia fenanao le toerana rehetrarehetra mihitsy.
Tsy ampy raha voatsy.
Tsy ampy mihitsy amitsy nokaka koa ato dia atositosika mihitsy matsombo le toerana.
Nanahy fifaliana mampisaotisaoty be mihitsy. Zany. Alefaso. Tsara kosa ka. Afinat.
Manao ny fifaliana zany tena tsy haiko mihitsy mandrefa tena tiako
tena kezany eo tsy tezolo manao. Dia asy eo amin'ny fihetsika any izany. Zay, nao reny ny lavabery. Ao ny anao, tade mandiana any amin'ny farany. Reny anao.
le fifaliana tao amin'ny Yahoshua zany tena tsy hitarefisana ohatra mbola misy fomba afaka tenenana le fifaliana dia mety mbola afaka nitenena hoe inona no mbola afaka ilazana izany.
Sa tena
mafana zany.
tena enjana be zany le bibiky be zany. Dahoara lefa fotoana empolay jereko azy zany hoe akambany anareo jereko narehetrarehetra nafaly nareo le faso anao jereko anazy. Ao zay. Aroandrany amin'ny vehivavy ahoana mba jereko. Hey, dahoana no metsika anazy era ny telo interena amin'izay zany hoe ahoana zany fifaliana nefa so mba ilonay
ny hafaliako zany tena tsy haiko tsony ohatrany ahoana fa tena tia andiny be tena
So, how is your happiness? Can you show that to us?
refesika mihitsy zany izy
So it's like really unfathomable happiness. Can you repeat it again so that the one next to you can see it? Is it she or all of you? It's really wonderful to be with Yahushua children. That's wonderful. Really. The when you give up on Yahushua, you will never find this happiness. You will never find this anymore, and it doesn't exist in your life anymore. And you will return back to your past life, and it gets worse. Ask one another, what are you? Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. You really say that you were outside of this kingdom. It's always to commit adultery and committing sexuality that you wanted before. Always looking for men and women. That was your life before. It's not like that when you were with Yahushua. Before, there was no happiness if there is no woman with men, there is no man with woman. So if there is no women and women, they were looking for drugs, alcohol. See if that's wrong. But when you are in Yahushua, it's only you. And you can do those things mean it's only Yahushua who can fill and fulfill the plan inside you. You don't need anyone else. It's only Yahushua. Only Yahushua, and everything is fulfilled. You don't need parade and the others for you. Parade and Zappos, that is just a nickname. What I meant, the fulfillment is with Yahushua. The peaceful is with Yahushua. So it's you want to say here, sit down, be in a hurry to go home, because I was about to go home. Yeah. Because my work is just to do a sermon for you when I go. And when it's finished, then I go home to encourage you, to make you stand firm. I'm not sent to dance with you, that because I love YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH, and let's dance for them. And to show the happiness, and I teach you, that is it. So it's your turn to dance, even though I am dancing too. We really like dancing for our beloved Father. Our life in the heaven of heaven, it's always a party. That's why we don't want to stay here. We want to go home in here. It makes us angry. The people who do good things that they hate. The Jesus that has thrown them in hell and they still love it. So what do you need with your diploma? It's a obvious word that you can see, and you they're saying that we don't take it like that. Don't see it anymore. Isn't it a word by word? Oh, just forget it. We are YAHOSHUAH. It's enough for us. Is it? Those who see that his work between brothers, your sisters between sisters, it means that he is really wonderful. He is wonderful. Play. Our beloved elder brother is coming. Him still jumping. Jumping. That's really wonderful. That's me. Coming. Those will go to the heaven of heaven and between sisters. Stop. 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 Okay, I don't speak here and here because these people, they cannot hear. Bring that one down so that they can hear well. It's not okay what you were doing, that it's always between you friends that you hug one another. How the one dance well. That's so wonderful, yeah. Oh, will you continue? Stop. When will you give up on Yahushua? When? When? That is the sound. I will never give up. Want to give up? Really? When will you give up? Don't give up. They jump for Yahushua. That is it. If you're pregnant, so just do like this, you cannot jump. Pay attention not to give up. It's a danger what is waiting for you. Everything will be out of you that will abandon you as well. You know, when the branches leave the log tree, it will begin into a fire. So stay wise in Yahushua. See how Miss did. This place is full of mess. She starts from there, and now he is over there. All of you are defeated by her. These people, they don't move. You are smarter. You come beside me. Fulfill the place of Yahushua. To be happy. We are really happy. Okay, play it until. That's wonderful. Really wonderful and amazing. That's so awesome to people side. Yeah, really amazing. Play the next again. Who is the best gift? And what did he say? That is the happiness when you are with Yahushua. So hold the hands of the one next to you, Yahushua. And stand firm. That is it. Next.
When door for the goal.
One another between you. Everybody had between brothers and between sisters. Play the next song, title. It's really to those really go there and tell them, I wish you to arrive there. I wish you to arrive there. Tell that to the one you will hug. To end the dance and celebration, we play the song. It's for you Malagasy people who are chosen and don't choose lastly. Malagasy. Okay. That's it. That's it. It's really special. Let's continue with the sounds. You are really special. Or what is your opinion? YAHVAH means. Give a great kiss to YAHOSHUAH. Give a great kiss to our beloved Father YAHVAH. And hug one another, between brothers, between sisters as well. Even if you hug them longer than love, and tell them, stand firm till the end. And tell yourself, myself, you must stand firm. In case it's you, will encourage the others that even go in the wrong way. Okay, are you tired? Yeah, grandmas are really tired and they don't dance anymore. That's enough. So next week we're going to dance well, okay? Next week we will dance like this. Be wise. The instructions that I have given to you, hold them tightly. YAHOSHUAH bless you. Do you wanna go? Raise the hands of those who say that let's go home. Raise the hands of those who say that let's stay here. Okay, sit down. Okay, have a rest because you are really tired. You are really happy because it's inside you. So that happy inside you. Don't cover it, show it. It's really a happiness that you have. It's in YAHOSHUAH. When you are happy, you are healed that without pain. That YAHVAH really likes people dancing in front of him. Don't be too wise that you will dance like a priest. For the YAHOSHUAH. It's already 5 p.m. children. Because it's getting dark and quickly, and our friends, some of our friends are living far away, and don't be selfish, and we're not okay with YAHOSHUAH if we stay here longer, so we'll go home. So you're going to do the offering as I have told you. And this that kid is white. I didn't say to stay in all of you. What will you stay? Even the teaching teachers that they are never seen, and they said bad things about us. I'm really astonished about human. Your mind of thinking is really so sad. Be wise. So get used to follow the internet. So teach one another to use. I don't allow you. I don't allow you to use Facebook because as I am your parent, I what I can do. So when you just watch the internet, just the internet, not the others, in case you'll be attacked by devils. Because when the Holy Spirit will be gone, it's only you when it will be lost. If you know that Yahushua doesn't like, don't. It's Yahushua's word saying that strike the children, correct them so that they want. So the law at the moment, it's saying don't strike children anymore. So it's going against the Creator. It's normal that it's something like this. What is happening here? How was the song saying that do your gestures well? Do your gestures. Don't pay attention what the others are saying about you. That is not your problem. Okay? Say that people's criticizing, not your problem. My problem. And I think that my way to go to Yahushua, to arrive there and to keep my body clean. Yahushua bless all of you and wave your hands and look at the one next to you and say, sisters, Yahushua, you and see you next time. Those will come on Saturday. It's better to come on Saturday because time. Glory be to Yahushua. Let's stand up to thank Yahushua for everything and to thank our beloved Father YAHVAH. Thank you very much, beloved Father YAHVAH, for the words, and thank you so much for the happiness from you. Yeah, the happiness that we made you. I showed him that the happiness is already inside and that it must be shown to you. I never stop advising them the thing that is inside them, the peace and the happiness and the joy inside them, so that they will know that that is inside them, that will be shown in them. Beloved Father YAHVAH, protect them till the end. Protect them so that they will arrive in you, Yahushua, that you forsook to dead on the cross to shed his blood. Protect them so that they will arrive in you well. Glory be to you forever. Bless their food. Bless their work. Bless it. And protect what they are going to face. You say that my creation, my children are my duty. Protect them till the end. Glory be to you forever. In your name, Yahushua, that I make that prayer, and you will take care of them till the end of this world. Amen. Okay, so wave your hands and see you on next week on next Saturday. Give it up. Yahushua, you.